This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for Lesson 12 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on this worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. Lesson 12 extends the range covered to top E, presenting the scale of A major for a 12th, along with its relative minor F sharp minor. So this lesson is primarily about A major and its relative minor, but it begins by extending the scale and arpeggio of A minor to a 12th. When moving from top D to top E, you must be sure to move left and right hands simultaneously for a smooth legato. Exercise 19 helps you with this, as well as helping you benefit from the articulated G sharp mechanism, which enables you to tie the movement of the right hand 5th finger to the 4th finger. Here is the scale of A minor for a 12th. And here's the arpeggio of A minor for a 12th. Here's the scale of A major for a 12th. And here's the arpeggio of A major for a 12th. Exercise 20 will help you learn to use this fingering. As in the scales of A minor and A major, you can simplify the fingering of this scale by making use of the articulated G sharp mechanism. The raised leading note in the scale of F sharp minor is E sharp, the enharmonic equivalent of F. To avoid cross-fingering from E sharp to F sharp, you should use this alternative fingering for F sharp, which is already featured in the chromatic scale. You will need to get used to reaching this key without groping around for it, so here is some revision of how to get there. Rest your right hand fingers on their 3 buttons. Now press down the F button, lift your middle finger and curl your 4th finger towards yourself and down. If you learn to make this shape, you can't miss. Here is the scale of F sharp minor for a 12th. And here's the arpeggio of F sharp minor for a 12th. Practice Plan 12 looks quite long and scary, but most of the items are scales and arpeggios you have been practicing for a long time now and can probably practically play in your sleep. You should still be sure to drill them thoroughly and tick all the boxes before you move on to Lesson 13.